Dr. Ruth Senyonyi arukurra kachiko ka Uganda AIDS Commission nayorekire obuhinza mutuma ahabwombaro gw'abanya-Uganda abarukuturwa akakoko ka sirimu okweyongera.
6 people in Uganda get HIV every hour. So we came here at 7, it is now what? 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 3 hours times 6 is what? 18 people have gotten HIV since we sat here.
Aho noho Dr. Senyonyi ahigira abashwerine okutamburira omushana kandi bareke okukunda ebyensi bikabaremesa obushwere.
One of the things that has become very common, of course, today in this world, and that's the world out there, let it not be our world. A woman dresses, you know, there is this word that came into our language, sexy. Oh, that looks sexy. So you dress to be sexy. Huh? Really? You dress to be sexy. And everywhere you pass, people are looking at your cabina, they are looking at your what, and you are actually,
Ebi babigambire omushomo gw'abashwerine ogutebekanisibwe aba The Bible Society of Uganda Ankole branch n'ekigendererwa ky'okushongora banyinamaka.
But you are committed. I'm committed to stay. I take her as is.
So, then there is financial. For richer, okay? I'm sure some of you have known, or even some of you have gone through the experience. You start out well, and everything seems to be, we have a job, we have this, we have that, we have plans. Lo and behold, the job is lost. Isn't it? The job is lost. But the job being lost is not the marriage being lost. It's not.
Arikurira ihururu y'abashwerine omu Uganda Paul Boson nagira ngu amaka agarukushaba kumwe nikigahwera okuguma n'obusingi.
First objective is to encourage all delegates at these conferences to live out their own marriages faithfully in accordance to God's standards set out in His Word.
This is Isaiah from chapter 36 to chapter 66. The Bible in full for the braille has 40 of these, one Bible, and it costs 2 million.
Aba bahigira abanya-Uganda okushagika emirimo ya The Bible Society okwongera okuhisya abatura Bible erukwera n'abantu okwongera kumanya ekigambo kya Mukama. Nde Michael Tumwakire abwa TV West agacenchwire.